Well, I am about to open up some new outdoor wall lights that I got from my shop. My other one went out, and I could probably replace the LED inside, but looks like a pretty involved process, and so I'm just going to replace the light because it's pretty cheap. And I actually bought two. I think I'm going to install a second one on another part of my shop. But let's get this thing open and see what we have in here. Here's the light that I got. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. That's the instructions there. Looks like a little hook that hangs off it. Got the foam, kind of hold it. So let me flip this thing over and get it out. Foam out. Let's see what's in here. There's the light. What is this? Okay, that's the cap, goes on top. There's the light with the base already attached to it. So hopefully this is just a plug and play kind of situation for me where I just undo the other one, screw this on, and maybe do the wire nuts on like 3 wires and be done with it. Let's get this thing out of here. Okay, here's what we have. Got the light here, got the little ornamental hook that's gonna go there, and this piece right here will go right there. So easy enough. Those things weren't put on just so it didn't take up more room in the packaging. So I will get those installed. Comes with a little hardware here, a couple wire nuts, a couple bolts, and then this piece right here goes on top, and then there's a little set screw that goes through here to hold that tight against the little bolt thingy here. So let's get those pieces installed real quick. Should be pretty quick, not too hard. But yeah, we'll start by adding this guy up top. I think that's all we need right there. And I think, yeah, this piece is gonna go on top of it after this is installed. So let's do that real quick. Perfect. Okay. Then this goes down on that. Yep. And then we can install this guy and then have the set screw. And then there's some screws or bolts that go right through there to hold this to the mounting plate. So I'll get those in real quick and then we should be able to go outside. I got all the pieces attached to the light, and so now I'm ready to take this outside. We're gonna take off this little plate here. There's a screw on either side, and this is what's going to mount to the existing mounting plate that's on the wall out there. So we will take this off, mount that to this, and then we will position the light over top of it and line up for where these screws are. And then we can get the whole thing mounted. Should be really quick. This is one of those dusk to dawn outdoor lights. It's got the sensor right here. So I leave it on all the time, but it turns off when the sun comes out and turns on at dusk and then off again at dawn. So that's the way I like it. Otherwise, sometimes I'll forget. So let's go out there and get this other light taken off the wall, and then we can get this guy up there. This is the existing light that I have up here. I hear a rooster. So we are going to go up here, and I'm just going to remove these 2 little ball thingies that are holding it, and I should be able to separate it from the side of the shop. All right, those are removed. Let's see if we can slide this bad boy off. See if I can do it without dropping it. I don't think it's held in on the back side. I didn't think. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's see if there's a screw or anything holding it on the side. Could be something going from the back to that main stock. So let's go check it out. There was nothing back there holding it. It was just stuck from all the time it's been up here. So we've got the 2 bolts hanging down, and there's the wiring. And I'm actually gonna be kind of lazy, and I'm just gonna cut those wires, and then I'll use the wire nuts to splice in the new stuff. So let's get that cut, and then we'll be ready to install the new one. What we have, got the wires coming out, got plenty of slack. Not as much on the ground wire, but I'll make that work too. So we've got that, and then we're just gonna hook that black and white wires up to these ones, and then we got the ground wire here that we're going to connect to this little plate. So right now I'm going to take this plate and install it up there, and I'll use these old retainers that this one used to hold that plate right up there. So let's get this up, see what we're working with here. Excuse the weird angle. Yeah, we'll get the wires to poke through here. See if I can do it with one hand. Looks like it. Perfect. All right, I need two hands now. The mount is installed. We're gonna get that ground wire hooked up, and then the white and black, and we'll get those spliced onto here with these wire nuts, and we should be good to go. All right, I got it. So just use the wire nuts to secure those wires together, and then I just had to attach this to the mounting plate that was sitting there. Hardest thing was actually doing these screws because I got this ridge on the side of my shop, so I had to use a 90-degree Phillips head screwdriver, but got those in there. So now I just need to go get a bulb, and I think I'm ready to turn this bad boy on. All right, we'll see how it looks. All right, it's the moment of truth. Got a bulb in there. Let's see if I can get the sensor blocked. See if we can get some light to come on. There we go, it works. Perfect. We got that covered. All right, we're good to go. So pretty excited about that. It was an easy installation. Really just had to take this one down. Recap real quick. Had two bolts right there that were held in. And then it has three wires, black, white, and ground. And pretty easy to match those up, even for someone that's colorblind like me. So anyway, hope this helps you guys out. I think this is gonna be nice. I'm gonna install another one on this side of my shop door. But yeah, check out my tire planter here with pepper plant, my Mickey Thompsons. Anyway, you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you later.